In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand text in Card. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to the Card website. From the home page, choose Open Dashboard. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in first. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see a list of your sites. Click the project you want to edit to open it in the builder. Inside the builder, locate the text block you want to expand. This could be a headline, a paragraph, or any text element on your canvas. Click directly on that text block. When you select it, a settings panel will appear, usually on the left side, giving you options specific to that element. This is where we'll make the changes. In the settings panel, switch over to the Appearance tab. This tab controls how the text looks, including its size and layout. Start with Size. You'll see a slider labeled Size. Drag it to the right to increase the font and to the left to reduce it. As you adjust, watch the canvas in real time so you can find a size that's legible, balanced with your design, and aligned with your overall hierarchy. Larger isn't always better. Aim for a size that's easy to read while still fitting your layout. If your text wraps awkwardly, don't worry, we'll refine the width next. Now go to the Width control and adjust that slider. Width changes the container the text sits in, not the font itself. Increasing the width gives your text line more room, which can reduce excessive line breaks and make paragraphs feel less cramped. Decreasing the width can create a cleaner, narrower column that's often easier to read for longer passages. Use these two controls together, size for how big the letters are, and width for how much space the text has to breathe. As you fine-tune, keep an eye on line length and spacing. A good rule of thumb is to aim for readable line length so your audience doesn't have to scan too far horizontally. Also consider how this will appear on smaller screens. Card's live preview helps you see changes instantly, so choose values that look good across different layouts. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done to confirm your changes and close the editor for that text block. That's it, your text is now expanded and formatted to fit your design. If you found this helpful, continue refining other text blocks using the same approach. Adjust size for readability and width for layout balance. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Card.